on my booty now.
As the pure student of accounting, I'll take the responsibility of the knowledge itself. And then being in these majors, one of the best path of mine, I think. That's why, when in my high school, I've done some competition like National Science Olympiad in national level on economic subject, finalist in Accounting Olympiad in national level and first rank in province level, and others first rank in Taxation Olympiad on province level. So, you will learn as you get older that rules need to be broken, but it's not enough to live life on your terms and never ever apologize for it. And here I am, Madimura Utama Wedana. Hello everyone, right now I'm going to present you about my research, but before that let me know the terms that given by the committee. So the term is pembaharuan ilmu keuangan negara terhadap keberlanjutan ekonomi Indonesia di era MEA ini. Then, what kind of research that I will going to make? Here it is. The title of my research is peningkatan minat terhadap riset di kalangan mahasiswa PKN STAN dalam upaya pembentukan ASN Indonesia yang berkualitas. The reason why I take this topic is because we know every aspect of human life are changing continuously. It might take and bring positive and negative effect. Sure, for the negative effect, we need the problem solving and the solution for that. But before we do the problem solving, we need to know the step of research. Before we doing our research, there are some basic characteristics that we need to know, such as responsible with the result and high curiosity and honesty. Sometimes, to grow the curiosity up are complicated problem, but actually it can be solved by write and read as much book. But the fact show only one among 1,000 people in Indonesia read book continuously. This low rate will lead to low curiosity to the research, whereas we already know the importance of doing research. Instead, especially when we are being part of ISN that really close to social life, will be there a lot of problem to solve. With all of the background above, I decided to choose this topic of my research. I need to know the interest of research among students in PKN STAN and their opinion about how to increase their curiosity and their interest of doing research. And to solve the problem, I do some research in the book for the data, but besides that, I also screen the questionnaire for 133 students in PKN STAN. Generally, the results show that 72.2% students read 1 to 5 articles a day, 21.8 students read 6 to 10 articles a day, and 6% more than 10 articles a day. Next, for the yearly data, show that 39% never read a book, this I call it module, and 42% read 1 to 3 a book, 50.7 read 4 until 10 a book, and the rest percentage read more than 10 a book. So, the daily and yearly data means that the rate of reading books among students in PKN STAN still quite low. And for the first solution that chosen by the student, 6% give opinion that to increase that thing, it will better by adding some competition, and 33.8% say that by implementing in element campus that relates to research site, 39.8% cite by adding research to academic curriculum, and the last, give opinion by help as much as training to the student. Then, with the all data above, how the important the research skill for the ISN? Sure, it will much support when you are being ASN in the futures because it will support your technical skill, managerial skill, and social cultural skill. Moreover, with the beginning of MEA era, having a research skill such an obsolete thing. Okay guys, it's all about my research that talk about peningkatan minat terhadap riset di kalangan mahasiswa PKN STAN dalam upaya pembentukan ASN Indonesia yang berkualitas. I really want to say thank you for your attention and hope your support for my stage in Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2015.